Binance also has a wallet version, and don't get confused. Binance app and Binance wallet are two different things. Binance wallet is an app which is specifically designed by Binance in order to store your crypto. You can only store your crypto in Binance wallet and do other minimum stuffs. But in Binance, you can buy crypto, sell crypto, as well as do many more things related with crypto. So Binance wallet is like a wallet. So Binance wallet is like a place where you store your crypto, whereas Binance is a trading platform. You gotta know the difference between each other. Otherwise, you might end up downloading Binance thinking it's the wallet, alright? So you gotta know the difference. So I made it clear. Binance wallet, two different things, alright? But it's created by the same company. You wanna go on where it says Play Store over here, because you can only download apps on your phone through Play Store, alright? Once you're over here, you gotta search for Binance wallet. As you guys can see, Binance custody store crypto. And make sure it says Binance INC, as you guys can see, which means it is created by the official company of Binance. Click on Binance Custody. The first Binance you saw at the top is actually the Binance trading platform. We want the wallet. So once you come over here, click on install, and congratulations, you just downloaded Binance wallet. It's that simple. Now after it downloads, you can open and you can set up your Binance wallet, or you can log in into your older Binance wallet or the existing Binance wallet you have, alright? So just keep that in mind. And remember, entering your Binance login detail is not gonna work. There's another set of things or like rules you need to follow in order to log in into your Binance wallet, alright? As I said, wallet and Binance are two different things. So just don't get confused.